Today I want to talk about Christmas pressure, 25th pressure, and seasonal pressure. But before I go into details of that, why are we celebrating the birth of Jesus Christ on the 25th of December? Is Jesus Christ born on the 25th of December? Was he born on the 25th of December? I have read the Bible. I have gone to churches. Never have I heard that Jesus Christ was born on the 25th. If you have a reference in the Bible where it is boldly stated that Jesus was born on the 25th, please help a sister. Your beloved sister also wants to know. My people, I hope we are not celebrating another person's birthday. I hope we are not celebrating another person's birthday in this Christmas. Please, I am so curious. I want to know. Because I think we've gone into argument with some people in the past years over this 25th of Christmas. Some people said Jesus was born in October, while others said it was in April. But we don't even have a particular date. So why is Jesus Christ's birthday celebrated on the 25th? But that is aside. I want us to talk about the pressure that is ongoing. Women are under pressure. Men are under pressure. Married women are under pressure. Married men are under pressure. The single ladies are under pressure. The single brothers and the single men are under pressure. Why? This is a 1 million question that is on our mind. Sister, why are you under pressure? Because of bone straight hair. Brother, why are you under pressure to buy bone straight hair for that your girlfriend? This same pressure is the reason why many people are going under depression. Do you know that it's because of this same December pressure that is affecting a lot of married women? Haven't seen that her husband cannot provide bone straight hair for her. Haven't noticed that her husband cannot give her money to buy less and sopido shoe in this Christmas. Sister is now vulnerable to Afona Uego, one of India. Isn't Ebuego, one of Malaysia, is now chatting up with your wife? On a normal day, your wife will not respond to any kind of messages on her phone. Her ex that are living outside the country, the men she rejected before, but now they have traveled abroad. Hanos in Malaysia, Indonesia, they are now chatting a happy Christmas, Merry Christmas in advance. How are your children? I want to do Christmas for you. On a normal day, your wife will not respond to that message. But because you don't have option again, your wife is now contemplating, should I respond or should I not? Now she have begged you for money as a husband you cannot provide for her. Both of you are lying down on the bed and she looks at you. Look at these he-goods lying down before me. You can't even provide. If only men, if you men know what goes on in the minds of your wives, especially when you cannot provide for them. If you know what goes on in their mind, you will know that women are strong. She will look at you. Look at this one. Look at this thing. Can't even give me money. And Obapudi go one. And Ezena got you. Is chatting me on WhatsApp. What do I do? This Afona Uego said he's going to give me 500,000. And this idiot cannot even give me 20,000 this Christmas. Should I accept or should I not? Your wife is now having decision problem. To collect money from her ex-boyfriend living abroad. Men, are you hearing what I'm saying? Because of 25th December pressure. Now, when she go on Instagram, when she look at you, look at Afona Uego, she look at you, you look useless to her. She look at Afona Uego. Afona Uego is responsible because he can give money. She go back to Instagram and see that fine bone straight hair. She look at the chat. Afona Uego is waiting for her account number. Your wife have no other option. She sent account number. Bagam ala papiago. She receives the money. Guess what? The man has given her 500,000. She buy her bone straight hair. Out of the money, she can buy herself lace and her shoe. Buy for your children. The man gives your wife money to buy clothes for your children. And guess what? From that money, she will buy food items and cook for you. She will buy food items and cook for you, her husband. And it doesn't end there. After will come back. Your wife is now vulnerable. Your wife is vulnerable to any available Benz owner in town. She don't have option again. And that is why you see what is happening around. Because when Afona will come back, your wife is sure that, oh, you're more. You are not aware of it. Even when you try to ask her, how come you bought the hair? I said, I don't have money for it. She said, I've been saving money. She start keeping secret. Why is she doing that? Because of 25th pressure, Instagram pressure, December pressure, seasonal pressure. Don't allow yourself to be put inside such pressure. This is Christmas. Everybody is going to buy a car. Hey, look at that man. Oh, he has bought a car for himself and the family. If you cannot buy yourself a car, charter keke, charter taxi. If you don't have money to travel for this Xmas, brother, stay back in town where you are. It's not a must that you will travel every Xmas. If you cannot enter plane, enter GU, OKK and Sons, enter ABC. God is good motors. We have good buses, Bana Moto, Natana, Christmas. Stop allowing those pressure to get to you. I have the clock 35 for very soon I will be 40. No man is knocking on my door. Hey, God, which man will come and do something on my head? Sister, stop giving yourself date and time for marriage. What if the man you want to marry has gone colo before? So because of that desperation to marry, because of Adobe will wedding this Christmas. Adobe is my junior now. Adobe, I'm 8 years older than her. And they will be wedding her this Christmas. God, why? It's my own different. You will not see a madman and you accept. I want to buy a car, quest to be successful. I want to marry my own wife this Christmas. I want to do this Christmas is the reason why many people are in their graves today. Many people are lying down in their graves because of pressure. You want to match up. You want to meet up. Do not allow such pressure to get to you. Be happy. If you cannot afford to buy Christmas clothes for yourself, go and bring the old ones. Wash it. Iron it, or you take it to dry cleaner. They will even put waterproof for you inside. Wear it and appear in it and be happy. You cannot buy clothes for your children this Christmas. Wash the old ones they have and wear for them. The end result is that you appeared very neat and you are happy. Your happiness should be your major priority and not what other people are doing. That this man is buying a car does not mean you are not going to buy a car. Everything have time. You must allow your own time to come. Do not give yourself that pressure to be successful. Pressure to own a bone straight hair. The same bone straight hair that ladies are fighting over in this Christmas. Earlier this year, that bone straight hair is not even up to 50,000. The bone straight hair, they are selling 200,000, 300,000, 400,000. The bone straight hair, earlier this year, the sellers rather, were even begging the buyers to at least buy this hair from me, 40,000 now. But because it's Christmas, it is season, the sellers want to make ×4 gain. And your wives are now inside that same pressure. You are pressuring your husband to sell the piece of land he has to buy you a hair. Are you okay? Are you normal? You are not normal. Don't allow this pressure. Sister, bone straight hair. You are desperate about bone straight hair because it is slave queen. The same bone straight hair is what they are using to cut women organ. Your breast will be out of this Christmas. Oh. They will cut your private part. Oh, because while you are looking for bone straight hair, the same man is looking for Benz. He also want to buy Benz. So he will use you to buy the Benz. So you have to be very, very careful in this Christmas. Don't allow yourself to be the prey. Don't allow yourself to be mixed. Everybody must not travel for the Xmas celebration. If you did not meet up this year, you can meet up next year. While you are planning to buy a car, buy hair, do this one. January is waiting for you. Christmas, children's school fees is waiting for you. Like a lion that is about to devour you. Because you will definitely pay for your children's school fees. So, be looking and waiting for bone straight hair. Put yourself under that pressure. Brother, don't put yourself under pressure to marry. When your time comes, you will marry. Sister, don't put yourself under pressure to marry. Your own time will come. Believe it when I say your own time will come. Do not pressure yourself into what you will not come out of. Men, if you have ever lied to your wife that you don't have money and you go out giving a woman money, God will punish you. Any curse your wife lay on you will come to pass in your life. You will tell your wife that you don't have money, but you will go on Instagram. You know, actually, you will take 200,000 and dash a woman. And you will tell your wife that you don't have money. You will tell your wife that you don't have nothing, but you are dashing a woman because of her big bum bum on Instagram and on Facebook. Money. Any prayer your wife kneel down to pray for you, it will not take up to 2 months. If she say you will be crippled, you will be crippled. Why will you be wicked to your family? Why will you be wicked to your children? Why will you be following woman waste? Dashing women money in this Christmas season when you've not fed your family. Women, please don't allow pressure to push you into collecting money from a random man, because that money you are collecting from that man will bring generational cost to you, your husband, your children, and your generation. You will not come out of it. Do not allow it to get to your doorstep. There are cheaper heads. There are hair of 5,000, 10,000, 15,000. There are good. I can recommend good hair sellers. Good hair. Almost only has 100,000. The truth is that that person that is selling hair of 100,000, if it is not this season, they will not sell it for that amount. Even if you must buy hair, January, they will even beg you to come and collect hair. Eh? If you cannot afford to buy hair, buy thread and wool. And look good. The end result is just for you to be happy. Do not put yourself under pressure. Eat and be happy. Please stop putting yourself under pressure, married men, to meet up with your side chick's demand. Brother, give away. Before you give away, ensure that you have given away in your family. Ensure that your mother, her siblings are comfortable. You will not come out online and be doing giveaway. You want to give away when there is fire on the mountain in your family. I don't like people that do eye service. Before you come out to give out in the public, before you come to start dashing 5,000 for Christmas celebration, ensure that your family people, that your mother have food to eat, that your mother's siblings have food to eat, that in your father's family, at least 1 or 2 of your father brother have food to eat. I don't blame some of them that don't want to give, because some people are wicked. Give them 5,000, they will call you in one Amadioha. Give them 2,000. Give one of your uncles 2,000. They will be calling you. But if you give your friend on Facebook 2,000, they will appreciate you more. So sometimes I don't even blame them when they do give away online, because some of these people don't even deserve your 1,000. So, but what I'm saying is, your immediate family should be your most important people that you should be looking out for, which is your mother, your father, and your siblings. Even if you cannot give your uncles, please don't give them, because when you give some of them, they will even take your name. That you see your uncle and you want to dash him 5,000 out of your own magnanimity. Happy. Your uncle able to 5,000. So I don't blame you if you don't want to give them money. But please, your mother and your father and your mother, your siblings, which includes your own brothers, should be comfortable before you come out to public to give out. Don't allow Christmas pressure to get to you, single ladies, brothers. Just be happy. Your own time and season will come. Believe me, your time will come. I'm still asking, was Jesus Christ born on the 25th of December? Or should we still wait for the date of our Lord Jesus Christ's birth to be released? Thank you for watching.